Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to show y'all this kit I got from it's upside down, melodysusie, and it's a gel nail polish kit. Gel polishes plus your base, top, and matte. Your base coat, top coat, and matte a matte top coat. And then you also get a ring in the in this box. So you have 33, 41, 313, 285, 357, 585, 582, 598, 650, 673, 780, 875, and then 944, 950, 991, 1099, 1125, 1168, 1216, 1240. This is the one I have on my nails. It's this one right here. 1322, 1332, G025, G369, and G359. I mean 95, sorry. So you get all these in this box. I'm gonna show you them. I did swatch them. Here's 33, 41, 313, 285, 357. These are so pretty. I love these colors. They're very pigmented, and most of them I got away with one coat. 582, 598, 650. They're not patchy at all. 673, 780, 875. Let me move this. 944. I'm going kind of fast because there are a few of them. 950. 991. You do get a variety of colors. You do get some yellows, you get some pastels, you get some dark colors, you get some nude colors. 1099, 1125, and no color is the same. This one is 1168. I would consider this like a neon color. This one is 1216. 1240. This is the one I have on my nails. 1322. This is like a nude color, like a khaki. This is it's darker, a little bit darker than is showing on camera. 1332. And then the last three is G25. This is a glitter one. This is like a what do you call it? Iridescent glitter. And then this one is just a shimmer, and this is 369. It's a very pretty like pearlescent pink. That's a pretty color. And then the last one is this is G395, and this one is pink with some silver glitter. They're so pretty. So that's all of them. So have another set exactly like this one. I want to give this one away in this video, and it's the full set. And the ring is missing, but I'll add this ring here. I'll put the one that I got in the first box because this one don't fit me anyways, but I'll just add this ring in this box. Oh, if I can get it in there. My nails are so long. You know what I get? You'll just get this ring in here. If I can put it in here. There we go. So I'll put that ring in here from my box. So this is a double. I accidentally got sent the same one. I ordered a different one when they asked me if I wanted to review these. I had ordered a different one, but as you can see, they're exactly the same thing. All the same numbers, $395, $395, G20, 025, G25, 1152, I mean 1125, 1125 is over here, 875, 875. So they're all the same. So I'm just gonna do a giveaway. So if you want to win this entire box of gel polishes, they are 24 colors plus your base, top, and matte. Just leave a comment down below. Let me see, what could you comment so I could know you watched the whole thing through. Comment 1240. That's the color I used on my nails. 1240 in the video, in the comments, comment 1240, and I'll enter everybody's name on the comment picker. Yeah, I'll do comment picker, and then it'll just pick the comments at random, and I'll just select one winner. I'll ship this to you for free. You don't have to pay shipping. I'll cover the shipping. So if you want to win this, comment 1240 in the comment section. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you get notified of my next video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.